Hey everyone, so first thing we're going to do is our foundation, and I'm using a full coverage foundation, and I chose to use the CoverGirl Outlast Stay Fabulous foundation because I like the finish and it covers everything I need it to. And I'm also going to be blending it in with my IT Cosmetics OMG foundation brush, which is amazing. And to brighten up under my eyes, I'm using my Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Dark Circle Eraser. And to just blend it in, I gently use my fingers.
Can see what we are. Now I know how I feel.
Now I'm going to do a little bit of contouring using my Benefit Hoola bronzer, which is a very matte bronzer and is perfect for contouring. And since this is a night look, I thought it'd be appropriate. So all I do is contour around my temples and then under my cheekbones, which are pretty much non-existent, but they're there a little bit. So that's all I do. It's nothing crazy. For blush, I'm using Bobbi Brown's Desert Rose, which is a very soft pink, which I thought would complement the darker eyes nicely. And as my highlight, I'm using my Stila All Over Shimmer Duo in the shade Kitten, and I'm using the lighter shade and just placing that on the tops of my cheekbones. So that's everything for the face. Let's move on to the eyes. And the first thing I'm going to do is work on my brows. And what I'm using is the IT Cosmetics Brow Power Universal Eyebrow Pencil. And first thing it comes with is a spoolie, and I just brushed it out. And then I'm filling it in with the pencil side, and the shade is a very taupey shade that's supposed to go good with everybody's eyebrows. And I like it for mine, so I just use this to fill them in. And then I'm back with the spoolie to comb them out. Now as a base for my eyeshadows, I'm going to be using this Maybelline Color Tattoo in the shade Silver Strike and just place that all over my lid. All of my eyeshadows are coming from the new Maybelline The Smokes palette, and the first shadow I'm using is the matte brown on the bottom left-hand corner, and I'm just running that through my crease so everything else on top of it can blend really easily. Next, I'm going to be taking the taupey shade on the top left side of the palette and just tap that all over the lid. This color doesn't really show up that true to color with this look because of the base, but it does add a little bit of darkness. Next, I'm going to be taking the silvery shade on the bottom row of the palette and placing that into the outer corner, and this is probably my favorite color of the palette. I just think it's so incredibly pretty and super unique. Next, I'm going to be taking the black shade on the top row to properly smoke this look out a little bit. So I'm using a small tapered blending brush to do this, and I'm just concentrating it in my outer corner, and this definitely gives the look a more nighttime feel. And now I'm just blending everything out with a clean blending brush. Now I'm going back in with the taupe shade again on the top row and just smudging that on my bottom lash line just to add a little bit more smokiness. And for my highlight, I'm taking the lightest shade on the top row and placing that underneath my eyebrow and in my inner corners. Now I'm just using my Carbon Black Linear Intense by L'Oreal Paris eyeliner, and this is just a black liquid liner that I talk about all the time, and I just wanted to use it today, so here I go using it. Now I'm just giving my lashes a good curl so they can be lifted and ready for mascara. For mascara, I'm using the new Voluminous Butterfly Intenza mascara from L'Oreal Paris, and I've been really enjoying it. I've used it a couple times before, and it just gives you the most volume and length, and literally your lashes look like fake lashes when you're done applying your coats. It is amazing. It might even be better than the Benefit They're Real mascara, and it's so much cheaper. So I'm definitely a big fan of this. And those are the completed eyes. I think they're a nice, soft, smoky look for a girl's night out. Now finishing the look off with the perfect nude lips, I'm using the Bare Minerals Marvelous Moxie lipstick in Speak Your Mind. This color is seriously the perfect pink for any occasion. So that is the completed girls night out makeup look. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and I will talk to you guys later. Have a good day, y'all.